Stress hiccups ruining your day? Don't panic. Today I'm sharing 2 incredible pressure points from traditional Chinese medicine that can calm them fast. No medicine needed. Know these signs? Hiccups that hit when you're stressed, fast, shallow breathing makes it worse. Goes away when you relax. That's classic emotional hiccups, your nervous system's SOS signal. Here's why it happens. Emotions trigger your autonomic nervous system. Stress causes diaphragm spasms. In TCM, we call this liver key stagnation. 1. Taichung, or LV3, is known as the stress switch. You find it between your big and second toe, right where the foot bones meet. Just press firmly with your thumb while taking slow breaths, about 5 deep breaths. Danzhong, also known as CV17, is often called the calm button. You can find it right in the middle of your chest between your nipples. To activate it, just use a gentle circular massage about 50 times. So, when should you use this technique? Well, in an emergency, try it every 5 minutes during an attack. For prevention, just 3 minutes in the morning and at night can make a difference. Here are some pro tips to help you get the most out of your practice. Always remember to breathe deeply during your massage. It really makes a difference. Sip room temperature water, not too cold, not too hot. And if you can, try to avoid stressful triggers as much as possible. Now, it's important to know when to seek medical advice. Please see a doctor if your symptoms last more than 12 hours or if you experience chest pain, palpitations, or any breathing difficulties. If you love these tips, here are a few extras for even more calm in your day. Try daily belly breathing, enjoy some soothing rose tea, and don't forget to check out our free TCM stress relief guide. You'll find the link below. If this helped you, go ahead and smash that like button, comment your results below, and subscribe for more ancient wellness secrets.